Well, good morning. You're Joe Little, aren't you?
Yes, I am.
And what do you do at IO and Icahn?
I am a family law attorney.
And is that something you like to do?
Yes, I love family law.
How long you been practicing in family law, sir?
I've been practicing family law for 30 years, since graduation from law school in 1993.
And is that part of any family tradition or anything like that?
Yes, my father-in-law was a very prominent family law attorney in Tampa, and also my sister-in-law was a very prominent family law attorney in Tampa.
What do you like about family law?
One of the things I really like about family law is that you can really do a lot of good very quickly with families that are in turmoil. Can help calm the situation and make the best of a bad situation.
Have you ever considered a different practice area?
No, frankly, I haven't. I enjoyed family law and I did family law exclusively.
Why should clients hire you as a family law attorney? What do you bring to the table?
The main thing I bring is 30 years of experience. I've helped hundreds of clients in hundreds of different situations. In addition, my academic background, teaching business law, teaching criminal law, has given me a broad scope, and I think I bring something that most attorneys don't.
Do you believe your years practicing and your maturity carries any weight with judges?
Yes, the judges, after 30 years, I know most of the judges. Frankly, most of the judges are younger than me, and that means a lot. They also know that uh, I'm a family law attorney exclusively, and I've been through a great deal, and I think that gives me a little extra respect with the judges.
Have you known any current judges before they became judges?
I've known perhaps a dozen judges before they became judges.
So you've seen it all.
I've seen it all. Indeed, I have.
And what is it like when you appear before a judge that you knew many, many years ago? What does it bring to your experience and your client's experience?
Well, it's fulfilling to know that in some small way I was part of that process. Very often, these judges were colleagues of mine in the practice of family law. So it's wonderful to see them succeed and to reach the bench. Very satisfying.
There's an old saying, a motivational person coined this phrase: when the going gets tough, the tough get going. Does that apply to you?
That absolutely applies to me. I the more difficult the situation, the more I multiply my efforts, and I feel like that's the best way to be successful. You have to be willing to do that.
You're in a firm with more than a couple of attorneys, aren't you?
Yes, I'm in a larger firm.
As a matter of fact, there are approximately 12 attorneys in the firm that you practice with. Does that benefit you?
Yes, that's a tremendous benefit. Our firm has a dozen attorneys. We can relate to each other. We can bounce ideas off of each other. We can gain advantage from the experience of others. Tremendous advantage.
How about paralegals in your firm? Is there a team of paralegals you find helpful?
The paralegals at our firm are amazing. They are very sharp, very experienced, and frankly, the best paralegals that I've ever worked with.
Are cases that you work on a team effort, yourself and other staff members?
Yes, all our cases require team effort, a good team effort. Our paralegals handle the documentation, all the critical filings, but we work as a team. We have to work as a team to be effective.
I don't think there's any argument that attorneys and law firms are expensive. So, Why are you worth the money you charge, or are you worth it?
I am worth the money that I charge and our firm charges because it's very difficult, it's very technical, it requires a great deal of education. Sometimes it's difficult for a client to understand how much work is involved in what may look like a seemingly simple case, but it's complex. And uh, every every family law attorney earns their wage.
At the end of the day, do you think you're a good choice for clients to pick as their attorney?
At the end of the day, I think I'm an excellent choice for clients to choose as their attorney. I'm honest. I'm straightforward. I tell my clients the truth. I don't hide things. I work hard for my clients and I try to help them through the process so they can get on with their lives.
Well, thank you very much, Mr. Little.
Thank you, Mr. Eichen.